Hi students, good morning. How are you? Nice to meet you again here. Now I come here with some errors that you made in your writing in our online debate in our blog. What are the errors that you made? Let us see one by one. First, you tend to make too long sentences and misuse of punctuation. You know punctuation? Punctuation is tanda baca in bahasa. Now let us see. This is the sentence made by Anton Wahyudi. Let's see here. If you see here, I don't think all human decreased productivity while fasting. On the contrary, even consider fasting month of fasting, and it is a provision that is present for him. Fasting can reduce the toxins that exist within the human body. Not only humans who fasted with the intention of self that could make productivity decreases. This is from Anton Wahyudi. You see here, this sentence is too long and it is hard to understand. You know, if you make too long sentences, it means you ask the readers to read very hard and it's hard to get the meaning. So avoid making long sentences, just make simple sentences. For example, like this: I don't think all people become less productive while fasting. It's easy to understand. Then you can continue to other sentence. Now, if you see here also the misuse of punctuation, you see, I cannot see where's the period here, and here not only you have to start with capital N, not only because it's the beginning of the sentence. So be careful with this. And look at this sentence also. Not only humans who fasted with the intention of self that could make productivity decreases. I'm very sorry, I don't understand what it means. And also this one. On the contrary, even consider fasting month of fasting, and it is a provision that is present for him. You see here, what does it mean? I don't understand here. So make simple sentence so that people or readers can understand what you mean. Okay, this is the first one that I want to remind you. Just make simple sentences. Don't make too long sentences. Don't make complex sentences. Okay. Next, the use of there is and there are. I pointed out statement or sentence from Widya Eka Dwi Jayanti. You see here, she said, there are no power, there are no food or drink that into their body during a half day from morning until evening. Widya, be careful with the punctuation also. Start with capital letter there, here. Now, what is wrong here in this sentence? You have to remember, I think you learned this while you are in SMK. There is used for singular or countable and for uncountable nouns. Okay? And there are is for plural. Now you back to your sentence. There are no power. The noun here is power. Okay? Is power countable? No. Power is not countable. It's uncountable. Power, tenaga. So you cannot count. Then food and drink. Can you count food and drink? No, it's uncount. So when the noun is uncount, use there is, uncount. So it becomes there is no power, or there is no food or drink. This is better. So be careful with there is and there are. Actually, this is very simple, but you may forget it sometimes. Remember, there is and there are again. There is for singular noun. Example, there is a book on the table, there is one person in the room. And for uncount, there are no power, there is no food, there is no power, not there are no power. Okay? Now, we see the next error. Here it is. I think versus I thought. What does it mean in bahasa? I think means saya pikir, I thought means saya pikir. Sama, same meaning. Literally same meaning. But different use, different purpose. I pointed one statement or sentence from Najla Anindya. She wrote like this: I thought sometimes that opinion is right. Again, I thought sometimes that opinion is right. What I can understand here from Najla is that he tries to express her opinion on that public opinion. Okay, let us see. I think is used to express your current opinion. Jadi kalau kalian ingin menyatakan pendapat sekarang, you have to say I think, not I thought. This is the example. I think sometimes that opinion is right. Here, Najla wants to say that the public opinion is right sometimes. So just say, I think, not I thought. I thought is used to express what you thought in the past, and frequently in the contrary to the fact. Berlawanan dengan yang sebenarnya terjadi. So, see the example here. I thought you came to the party. Saya kira kamu datang ke pesta. I thought you came to the party. Faktanya, you didn't come to the party. So when you meet her now, when you meet your friend today, and you said, I thought you came to the party. Saya kira kamu datang ke pesta. Kapan pestanya? Kemarin. Kapan saya kiranya? Kemarin. I thought you came to the party. Came to the party is berlawanan dengan yang sebenarnya, dengan fakta. Faktanya, you didn't come to the party. So, kita menggunakan I thought. Itulah perbedaan antara I think dengan I thought. Apakah sudah jelas sampai di sini perbedaan I think dengan I thought? Sekarang misalnya, kalau kalian bertemu dengan seorang teman, selama ini yang kamu tahu dia ada di Singapura. Tiba-tiba kamu bertemu dengan dia. Lalu kamu akan mengatakan begini, ya kirain kamu ada di Singapura. How do you say it in English? Saya kira kamu ada di Singapura. Apakah kamu akan menggunakan I think atau I thought? Tentunya menggunakan I thought. Karena apa? Sekarang kamu ada berhadapan dengan dia, kamu kira ada dia di Singapura, ternyata dia tidak. Sekarang dia ada di depan kamu. Jadi gunakanlah di sini I thought. I thought you were in Singapore. Bukan I think. Kemudian satu hal lagi. Kalau kalian bertemu atau berada dalam situasi yang orang bertanya kepada kalian, kira-kira Pak Adetonang masuk nggak ya hari ini dalam kelas? Lalu kamu mengemukakan pendapat. Kamu mengatakan, saya pikir kayaknya dia nggak masuk hari ini. Apa yang kalian katakan? I think atau I thought? Tentunya kalian menggunakan I think. Karena apa? Kalian mengatakan atau mengemukakan pendapat kamu sekarang. I think Mr. Arirtonang is not coming today. Itu pengetahuan kamu sekarang. Itu pendapat kamu sekarang. Jadi katakan dengan I think, bukan I thought. Sudah cukup jelas di sini perbedaannya? Okay, so this is the difference between I think versus I thought. Now, I'd like to give some exercises for you. Here it is. Di sini, you find a sentence, some sentences, and there are some words missing. So please complete this sentence by using there is, or there are, or think, or thought. Okay? Now this is the sentence. Let's see. I wanted to make a cup of coffee, but I found out, blah blah blah. This is for number 1. No sugar. I, blah blah blah. This is number 2. I still have some, but it is no longer there. I, blah blah blah. Number 3. Somebody took it, so I just drink some water, as blah blah blah, only hot water there. Sekarang coba kalian kerjakan kalimat ini. Kira-kira apa yang menjadi jawabannya di sini? I wanted to make a cup of coffee, but I found out blah blah blah, no sugar. Apakah ini isinya there is, there are, atau think, atau thought? Yang kedua di sini, I blah blah blah, I still have some. Apa isinya di sini? Apakah there is, atau there are, atau think, atau thought? But it is no longer there. Number 3, I blah blah blah, somebody took it, so I just drink some water, as blah blah blah. This becomes number 4. Yeah, I'm sorry. There should be number 4 here. So I just drink some water, as blah blah blah, only hot water there. Okay. Write this sentence and complete it. Send it to me by email. Okay? Thank you very much for today. Hope to see you next time. Good luck. Bye-bye.